Hello students, welcome to EduTap and welcome to the 7th lecture of ARD Static series, that is your Seed and Sowing, and under this topic we will be studying about seed certification. So due to some technical error, this video wasn't uploaded at 1 PM, but don't worry, from tomorrow onward the video will be uploaded at 1 PM. Okay, so before we start our class, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want the PDF, join our Telegram channel too, where the PDF will be uploaded in next 24 hours. Okay, so going to the timetable of these classes, today we are discussing the seed certification, as you can see here. Okay, then type of soil, nutrient deficiency, we will discuss it all. You can see the timetable and what lecture we will be discussing. Okay, so moving to the classes now. So first we'll discuss about the practice question that I have given you when we were discussing about the cloud. So the question was, which of the following weather factor that affect the water measure in plants? So we are talking about the plants here. So your options were air temperature, air humidity, wind, both air temperature and air humidity, or all of the above. See, among the given option, your air temperature controls the maturity of the plant and is a very important factor. Again, your air humidity or relative air humidity controls the water uptake and stomatal pore opening, so it is very important. Talking about the wind control the rate of transpiration or transport-evaporation. Okay, so both transpiration and evaporation. So your correct option will be option E, that is all of the above are important for your plant. Okay, so now that is out of the way, let's start our lecture. So first we will discuss about the PYQ, and the question was in the NABARD Grade A exam in 2019. Your question was, a seed packet carrying blue color certificate denotes which of the following type of seeds? Your options were nucleus seed, foundation seed, registered seed, certified seed, or all of the options are wrong, and the correct answer will be none of these. So if you don't know what seed we are talking about, what is this color we are talking about, what are these certificate we are talking about, how we can get the certificate, don't worry. Once we start a lecture and at the finish, you will be able to give the answer by yourself. Okay, so let's start our lecture. You will know that this question is quite easy. Okay. So talking about first of all seed certification. See, why we need seed certification? First of all, we will talk about that. So you know why we need certificate for anything. So what your certificate do? It's certified or it legally permit you yes, you have that capability or that properties. Okay. Similarly, seed certification in classes of seed. Why we need it? See, you all know that agriculture is big part of our economy. Okay, and most of our population depend on agriculture. Okay, we all in some way are related to agriculture. So what will happen? See, if we need to boost the agriculture, how we can do it? We need to have good variety of good yield first of all. And how will this good yield come? When we have good amount of seed. So again, your seed will become plant, will give the production, and this production will determine your economy. Okay, so to boost our economy, we need to have basically good quality of seed. And what qualities we need in the seed? As you all know, it must be high yielding, disease resistant. Okay, it can tolerate wide range of temperature or drought conditions. So that is all. So what we need first of all with this certification, it will be a proof or it will be a okay stamp ki yes, this seed will give you good yield. Okay, that's why we need this particular certificate. Now that is out of the way. Who give this certificate? This is given by the Association of Official Seed Certification Agency. And according to them, the seed classes are divided into 4 types. These are your nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, and certified seed. See, there is not hard maths or something here. The thing you have to understand is we need good quality of seed, and for that we have certification. Okay, this certification will approve ki okay, this seed is good, this seed is better, this seed is best. This kind of certification will be there. Now, better the certificate, the better will be the yield, or the some other advantage will be there. So we need the certificate so that we can, you know, without trying our error method, we can go for the seeds that we need. Okay, so this seed certification, this particular seed certification is divided into 4 parts. Okay, there are 4 kind of certificate that are given, and these 4 kinds are defined by the Association of Official Seed Agency. That was the summary of this particular slide. Okay, now you have to remember the name, what type of seeds are there. So let's discuss now what are these seeds and why we classify them. Okay, So your seed types are nucleus seed, breeder seed, foundation seed, registered seed, and certified seed. Okay, see, your nucleus seed are the purest kind of seed. Suppose you are a breeder and you have developed a new kind of seed variety. So this will be called nucleus seed. Okay, and the genetic purity of it will be considered 100%. Again, there will be no color tag in the case of the nucleus seed, but there will be a certificate. And this certificate will be pedigree certificate. Okay, so this was your nucleus seed. The nucleus seed developed by the breeders, okay, pure breeders or the starting breeders. Then if your seed is good, okay, suppose your seed has very good or double the yield, triple the yield or very good yield. So what will happen? Now you need to multiply the seed. Okay, you can't have one seed and you can divide it. How will you do it? So you will multiply the seed, and this multiplication will be done by some SAUs, okay, researcher or agencies or universities. They will what will they do? They multiply your nucleus seed under the guidance, okay, and under the supervision too. Again, they will try to maintain the genetic purity at 100%, and of course it will be monitored and analyzed again. Then if the breeder seed and the genetic purity was supposed find to be 100%, you will be given a certification tag, that is yellow color tag. Okay, golden yellow color tag is there for the breeder seed. Then what will happen? From your breeder seed, the foundation seed will come. Okay, suppose there are some government agencies or some private agencies that want to multiply the breeder seed further. So they will call it foundation seed, and the genetic purity will be around 99.5. Okay, then the certification tag given for the foundation seed will be white color. I think this is quite easy. There is not much to grab. Just you'll have to remember all these things. Okay, then see, we have discussed in the last slide, when we talk about Association of Official Seed Certification Agency, there is no registered seed. As you can see, there is no registered seed. But then what is this registered seed? Suppose from your foundation seed, there are some progressive farmers that want to multiply the seed again. So what they will do, they will try to, from foundation seed, they will try to develop their own seed. Okay. Genetic purity will be maintained at 99.5%, and the certification tag will be given purple color. Okay, now two things can happen. See, from your foundation seed, either you can go for the registered seed, that is not, comes in the purview of the Association of the Official Seed Certification Agency. So it is still not come under them. But what can happen from your registered seed? If you have developed, suppose, registered seed with the genetic purity of 99.5%, this registered seed will be used to obtain this certified seed. Or the second case, what will happen? The foundation seed will directly be used for creating the certified seed. Okay, I think that much is clear from here. So genetic purity in certified seed will be 99%, and the certified seed is the seed that you get in the market. Okay, and the color of the certificate in this case will be blue. So I think that much is clear. So from your foundation seed, both registered seed and certified seed can come. It can either happen in one step or two step. How? So for your foundation seed can directly be used for creating certified seed, or we will first discover the registered seed, then we will create the certified seed. Okay, so from this particular slide, this very slide is very important for your NABARD examination. Do remember the color tags, do remember the genetic purity, also the name of the seeds, that you'll have to remember. If you can do that much, that will be very beneficial for your NABARD examination. Okay, now let's move to a little history, what will happen and what agencies are there. So let's quickly discuss that. So first of all, seed certification, when we are talking about, see, you and I can't certify the seed. Why? That will be illegal. So legal bodies are there to give this certification seed, and that is Seed Certification Department, authorized to for the production, multiplication and monitoring of the seed quality. This quality word and this quality we are referring to is a genetic quality, genetic purity. Okay, that as we have discussed, genetical purity. So besides that, the seed certified, whatever seed you have, and if it get a certificate, that will be called your certified seed. Quite easy. Okay, and the field and seed standards will be checked. It's not like you took some seeds and go to the government and said, okay, I have created a seed, give me blue certificate. So that won't happen. Your seed will be analyzed thoroughly, and only after that, once you have crossed all the examinations or whatever analysis are there, so if all are approved, that's only when you will get the tagged and certificates. Okay, and then another thing to remember from the seed certification is, it's not compulsory, it's voluntary. If you have created a seed and you don't want any breeder certificate or pedigree certificate, you don't want any color tag, that is okay, that's up to you. But if you want, and you'll have a kind of proof, okay, my seed is breeder seed, so for that you'll have to do things. Now, what are the steps, how you or anybody who's interested in getting a seed certification, how they can do? So first of all, what they'll have to do, they'll have to apply for, of course, seed certification, quite easy step. Anything you want, you'll have to apply for it. So you apply. Then what will happen, you will also register when you have done the sowing. So sowing register will be there. You'll tell all the data that you have, how much seed you have used, okay, what you are using. So that after that, inspection will be done, your seeds will be collected, they will be analyzed, and then they will be tagged. So these are the easy steps that are used for seed certification. Okay, then talking about this Indian Seed Act and when was this seed certification was needed. So you all know, as most of our population is dependent on the agriculture itself, that's why we need to make sure that our farmers have good quality of seed. So for that, we have Indian Seed Act, that was Indian Seed Act 1966, and that's provide a legal framework, okay, to make good quality of seed available to the cultivators. So it's not like somebody can make fool of it, okay, these are good quality of seed, use them, because see, growing crop take many months. So at the end, if the results are not good, that will be disheartening for the farmers too, and bad for the economy too. So this particularly Seed Act 1966 was notified in 1968, and the certification started in 1969. Okay, so that much if you remember from the history, that will be enough for your examination. Do remember certified seed, what are these legally authorized bodies are? Seed certification department, and the slide we have discussed in the past slide we have discussed, that is the color of certificates and the genetic purity, that is enough for your NABARD examination. Now we will what we will do, we will quickly discuss this seed certificate, we have discussed type of seeds, so quickly discuss it, who develops it, and from what seed what other seed comes. Okay, so first of all, nuclear seed, as I have told you, original breeders, institute, SAUs, or any researcher, whoever is interested in developing a variety, that will develop a nuclear seed. Okay, in nuclear seed, pedigree certificate is very important, because it provide you proof that okay, you have developed the variety. So that is pedigree seed, pedigree certificate. Talking about the breeder seed, your breeder seed, when you are trying to multiply the nuclear seed, that is your breeder seed. Okay, and nuclear seed multiply, and who does it? Okay, so first of all, it was done by the institute, research institute and universities, under what? Supervision of plant breeder. Whoever the breeder of the nuclear seed is, and whoever seed you are trying to multiply, he will be a supervisor for that. Then the monitoring committee, that is from the Department of State Certification, that will be their state corporation agency that are involved for checking the quality, will supervise this particular breeding program. Okay, and these two will be done in the control condition, of course. Then talking about the foundation seed. See what happened when you are trying to multiply the breeder seed, that becomes your foundation seed. Okay, then foundation seed, who does it? Of course, private sectors and public sector. Again, in the supervision of seed certification agency, the foundation seeds are created or take place. Then this foundation seed can either be turned into registered seed or the certified seed, as I have told you before. So progeny of the foundation seed, that handle the genetic purity according to the foundation seed. Okay, so these two will have the similar kind of genetic purity as we have seen. Then this particular registered seed can either be developed to the certified seed, or the foundation seed itself can be used to develop the certified seed. Okay, so what will happen? These are progeny of both foundation seed and the registered seed. Under again this supervision, they will be created with the genetic purity of 99%. Okay. So I hope everything is clear now. So this was quite easy, guys. Today's topic was very easy, but again it becomes very important even though it is easy. So you will have to revise it and do memorize it. Okay, the seed, color, tag, purity percentage, that much is enough. Then go for a little history. 1996 you'll have to, 1966 you'll have to remember the year and when it was implemented too. Okay, so now let's move to the PYQ that we have discussed, and let's have a quick look at another PYQ that was there from the particular topic. Then we will try to practice a question that I will give you and I'll answer you in the next class. So a seed packet carrying blue color certificate denotes which of the following type of seed? Your options are nucleus seed, foundation seed, registered seed, certified seed, and none of the above. Now I know you might be thinking, oh, this is quite easy because we have studied it. Of course, it will be your certified seed. Okay. Now moving to the next question that appeared in 2019 again in NABARD Grade A examination from this particular topic. And the question was, which of the following certificate is issued for nucleus seed by producing breeders? Okay, your options are pedigree certificate, nucleus certificate, seed certificate, purity certificate. So we all know no color is given but a certificate is given, and of course the certificate as we have discussed is the pedigree certificate. Okay, so that's quite easy now. You can easily apply for that. Again, this topic become very important for your NABARD examination. When we talk about seed and sowing, this is the most important topic. Okay, now let's try a practice question that I'll give you and I won't answer you, but you'll have to answer it in the comment. Okay, I'll give the answer in the next video or tomorrow at 1 p.m. So which of the following progeny of breeder seed produced by the recognized seed producing agency? Your option are pedigree certificate, nucleus certificate, registered seed, purity seed or foundation seed. So you'll have to tell breeder seed से हमें कौन से seeds कौन सा certificate मिलता है, okay, or which seed will be given. So breeder seed is converted to what? So I have told you and explained it to you 2 times, so I think now you will be able to answer. So do let me know in the comment what is the answer, and if you like the video, do let me know that in the comment too. Okay, so I hope that video will be beneficial for your NABARD examination. If you have any further query, do let me know in hello@edutap.co.in, and if you want to check our website, do check our website too. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.